This is looking down Columbus. The lake is on the end of the road there, 2 blocks away. That's a 3-bedroom house in front. That's going to be available for rent in about 2 months. $11.50 a month. 1 bedroom's in the basement. 2 bedrooms in the bathroom are upstairs. It's small. That's the unit upstairs. It's about 450 square feet that you'll be renting. Upstairs, $660 per month, with garage, $700 per month. 1-year lease minimum. That's the small kitchen, about 8 by 8 feet. That's the side yard. It's in a very, very desirable location, like 8th Street and Columbus Avenue, about 5 blocks north of North Avenue. Northeast side of Sheboygan, again 2 blocks from Lake Michigan. That's a small living room. It's about 9.5 by 12 feet. Nice 9.5 by 12 foot living room. Hardwood floors, which is great. To the right would be a 2nd bedroom, small. Here's the master bedroom. Each bedroom has a small closet. Small, like 4 by 8 foot or 4 by 6.5 foot bathroom. Mini tub, but functional. And there you're looking into the 2nd bedroom. That's fairly small, about 8 by 9.5. That's looking out the window. There's a small storage shed which would be for the maybe snow blower, lawnmower. That's going back into the living room. It's a nice little apartment. We will be putting a new furnace in, so you will have forced air gas heat and possibly central air conditioning with the half the garage below does come with it. It offers 11 foot by 20 foot storage area. The other half will be a wall dividing, and again, the other half of the garage can be yours for the extra $40 a month. The choice is yours. Give me a call or text if you're interested. We'll give you a showing. Thanks.